People ask all the time, can they really do self-hypnosis? Don't they need a professional? Can they really get themselves into this state? You guys, even hypnotists are asking me if they can do their self-hypnosis. And this is because they expect hypnosis feels altered as a state. We feel altered states all of the time. Hypnosis is not a state. You can be in so many different types of states and experiencing hypnosis, because hypnosis is just this story, these suggestions. Hypnosis is really the phenomenon of your awareness being focused on things. How many things is it focused on? It's arbitrary and nearly impossible to count. You really can do your own self-hypnosis, because hypnosis is this phenomenon that your mind is experiencing a reality. Is it real reality, or is it perceived reality? In some way, it is all a perception. And I'm not here to talk on the conspiracies or the rabbit holes of quantum physics and energetic, feelings or vibration or even thought. It's about you having this present reality that you have hypnotized yourself to believe exists. And because you have hypnotized yourself and you are the most apt person in control of your mind, can other people access control over your mind? Periodically, occasionally, not without your permission. Anything that you give your focus, your attention, this permission, even if it's unconscious, right, to have this authority or this expert, this guide, that person can lead your hypnosis. But you are the person who is always in the most control of your hypnosis, and you can hypnotize yourself without having to reach a depth of a trance, without having to have any sort of placebo or belief. It's actually pretty easy to hypnotize yourself. And because you are hypnotizing yourself so often, people then get confused on, well, how do I use this process of hypnosis? If you have a mind, if you have a body, your brain is doing this natural phenomenon of self-hypnosis nearly all of the time. Join me for a free workshop. Every week, I do free hypnosis. You can interact with me. You can tell me your goals. I will give you techniques right there live so that you can help yourself with self-applying the hypnosis techniques.